Hello, in this video I will show you how to remove and maybe replace the alternator on Peugeot 307 2 liters HDI. The alternator on this car is located right there on the front and the side of the engine. There is 4 bolts holding it, 2 on this side, one is just there, one on the bottom where this parasitic pulley is. We need to remove the bolt for the parasitic pulley along with the pulley, and that's the second bolt. And then there is 2 other bolts holding the alternator on the rear. In order to get to the bolts on the rear of the alternator, we need to remove the bolts for the heat shield and move the heat shield to the side. Now that the heat shield is put to the side, we have access to the upper bolt on the alternator. It's just there. Now we're going to the bottom of the car to remove the bolt that holds the alternator on the rear. But in order to get to the bolt, we need to remove the compressor, or just remove the 3 bolts that hold the compressor and move to the compressor to the side without disconnecting any AC lines. Now that the AC compressor is put to the side, we have access to the bolt, which is just there. We're going to use size 16 wrench to remove the bolt. If the video is useful, please like and comment on the video and subscribe to the channel to see more videos like this. And that's the bolt removed. We can't remove it completely because there is something in the way, but it's enough to take it out. Next, we're going to remove the negative terminal of the battery so that we can remove the power cable and the connector that go to the alternator. The nut holding the power cable on the alternator is size 13 nut. That's the power cable and the connector removed. Now we're going to remove the rear upper bolt of the alternator, which is just there. To remove the bolt, we're going to use size 16 wrench. And that's the bolt removed. Now the only bolt left to remove that holds the alternator is the one on the front. We remove that and then we take out the alternator. That's the last bolt removed. Now we go to the bottom of the car to try and take out the alternator from the bottom. Here it is, the alternator is coming out. Now we can then repair it or replace it and then put it back on the car and assemble it in the reverse order. Thank you for watching.